hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Make it a great week, folks. Love coming out of you makes you happy. The whole world can love you, but that's not the love that'll make you happy. What will make you happy is to share all the love you have inside of you. That is the love that will make the difference. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials flat. Nasdaq is up 12. S&P's flat. Gold contract down $18.20, trading at $17.62 an ounce. We got silver down 34 cents, $25.87 an ounce. Light sweet crude up 24 cents, $73.14 a barrel. Notes and bonds. The 10-year flat, 132.08. The 30-year up one at 160.03. And King Dollar. King Dollar's up 200 ticks, trading out at 92.087. Euro is out here at 118. The yen is at 110.5, and the British pound is at 138 to $1 US. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. I know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so we take a look at the SPY. In fact, I got to look at the SPY and see. Let's see here. Did we do it? Well, let's see. No, we don't have an ABC structure up on the SPY. Bottom line, SPY's at a new all-time high. Hit 428.56 today. We're at 427 right now, 43. NDX 100, we've been saying it for a while, and you got another ABC structure on the way up, folks. You blew away the B point yesterday. You did it with volume. We're at 354.50. Your price projection is 362. So the bottom line is that we just finished one ABC structure on the way up, and I will get those charts up ASAP. Thanks, Jimmy. Appreciate it, man. So we just finished one ABC structure on the way up. You blew a B point away yesterday. You did it with volume. That gives you another ABC structure on the way up. What's intriguing here, folks, okay, is that when you do have ABC structures inside of an ABC, it's a much more powerful market. And that's exactly what we have. In fact, we've had three of them on the way up. The thing that's really intriguing to me is that this market, well, the NDX in particular, is trading like it was trading from like 96 to 98. And if that's what we have, let me tell you something, folks, okay? If you think you're going to highs here, if we keep doing ABC structures inside the NDX 100, it's going to be something else. The longest streak I saw inside the NDX 100 was AMAT. AMAT continues to do ABC structures up for 18 months solid. 18 months, man. We'll see where this shakes out. But the bottom line, right now, composite has an ABC structure up. NDX has an ABC structure up. Gold. Gold contract. We take a look at gold. They whacked gold again out here today. That being said, guess what? Gold rejected lower price at the 1750 area. You're at 1761. And the number that, if you're a gold bull, you want to see gold close at 1761.20. And we're at 1761.30. Bottom line, we'll see how this shakes out. But if that's what you get, that means that we basically took out the swing low. Now, we've taken it out with, I believe, about 100,000 less contracts, which is pretty cool. So we're dealing with, you're dealing with 386,000 contracts. You did 229. Then it had tested it with 262. So even at 262, the bottom line is that you have broken it with lighter volume. And that's what you'd like to see if you think the market is going to turn. That's the bottom line. So we'll see where this gold baby goes. And we take a look at the silver contract. We have a silver out here. Silver reached a low of $25.58 out here today. We are at, yeah, this didn't even really get out of its range. Well, it did get out of the range a little. We tested the 26,615. And let's see what we have here. So it's 72,000 contracts. Oh, that's going to be more contract volume, yeah, because of the roll. So the SLV. So what you can do, folks, this is, so when I just brought up the futures, okay, if you don't have the futures, what you want to do when you're doing price and volume, just bring up the ETF structure for either silver or gold, because they both trade quite a bit. And if we go over to the SLV, what you're going to see is that the SLV did break its swing, but yet it broke its swing at 16 million shares versus 34 million. Bottom line, if you get a close at 23.87, that's saying, guess what? You went down, flushed it out, no more sellers, going higher. King dollar. What do we have a King dollar? King dollar took off from the lows, had a monster run on the way up, did a 0.618 retracement of the whole move down, start moving topside again today. Could have been a monster ABC structure on the way up, and it still can be, by the way, a large ABC structure on the way up. Thus far, we hit the 92, 194, hasn't been able to hold. Bottom line, we'll see how this basically gets back into the number to keep your eye on is 91,900. Because if you get back into that range, that's saying, okay, you're going to go to the bottom of the range. If we go take a look at the euro, because you get the direct correlation, 60% of the dollar index is the euro. Euro got down to 118.78, and you're like 20 ticks above that. Bottom line, need some juice. Notes and bonds. I don't know how they're ever going to teach this note and bond market, period, folks, okay? Because the bottom line is that this is about as wild as you can get. We had out here in the note, in the 10-year note today is this. You get down to 132, a rejected lower price. You're at 132.08, and this thing wants topside once again, man. This is saying that we're going to go back after the highs of the 133.06. 30 years set up the same way. 30-year bond right now, you're at 160.04. That little baby is also rejected 159.15. And, your bottom line, this looks to me like you want 167 or you're 160. What is intriguing is this. So all the banks, folks, cleared their stress test in a huge way. Big numbers. They're going to be giving out huge dividends. But guess what? The banks have a hard time holding price. The banks look like they do want to go retest outside of Morgan Stanley. They want to retest their high-volume swing low on June 18th. Now, what that's also saying to me is that means that, well, I'm putting this together and speculating, of course, that the rate structure, okay, is not going up. Right now, his rate structure is going down, but the way the banks are also trading outside of Morgan Stanley is buying $12 billion worth of stock back simultaneously, and they're basically upping the dividend by 50%. Dow Industrials right now up 20, Nasdaq's up 18, S&P's up 1. Stay right there, folks. Come back with our man, Mr. Basil Chapman.
Are you looking for a way to consistently add winning